Hey guys, welcome to Wrench to Drive. It's a real quick video on the best drive shaft for custom builds. That's right, it's a bold claim, but I'm making it. So if you want to make a custom crawler, guys, one of the things you're going to encounter is the need for a drive shaft of a length that might not be standard. These bad boys here are my personal favorite at this point because I figured out a simple trick. And I'm embarrassed to say that it took me a while to think of this, guys. I did not come up with it right away. But as you can see from this end here, guys, this is a hex key, Allen wrench, right? So if this is not the length that you want, all you need is an Allen wrench, cut off a piece, attach it to your drive shaft. You got whatever length you want, guys. And these shafts are really nice. This is an aluminum tube, I think, guys. It's some sort of alloy. It's super light, guys. Doesn't weigh much at all. This end is heavier than this end. And yeah, it slides in there real easy. Pokey pokey. So you can see you have the full length of the tube with which to adjust. And these particular ones, it's a 6mm hex key. So all you got to do, guys, hack this off, which I'm going to. I got this extra long jobby off of Amazon. It was a package deal. You buy enough stuff, you get this thrown in for cheap. It was a whopping $5, guys. So not bad. And then you can make any length of drive shaft that you want. So there you go. That's your tip for the day, guys. For my money, if you're doing a custom build and you need a longer drive shaft, especially if you need a longer drive shaft, guys, these are a good way to go. This one I actually ended up shortening for my purposes. I ordered these because I got a decent price on them, and they looked good, and I thought I'd be able to adjust them really easily, which I was. This material is not that tough to cut. I did this the hard way. I think I did this with a moto tool wheel, not a cut-off saw, because I didn't have one handy. Whatever. It wasn't hard, guys. Didn't take very long. It turned out a little uglier than I would have liked, but it works just fine. So there you go. It's your tip for the day. 6mm hex key, this lovely style of drive shaft, which are very common on eBay and Amazon and wherever. A little pricey these days, guys, but keep your eyes out. There's always deals. The prices go up and down. And yeah, you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.